In the world of technology, secrets lurk in every corner. Today we uncover one such secret, the code DAN. In the vast digital landscape, codes and ciphers are as common as trees in a forest. Some are benign, others not so much. Today we delve into the depths of the digital domain to unearth a secret that's been whispered in hushed tones across the tech community, the code DAN. 3 simple letters, but their implications? Not quite as simple. This code, shrouded in mystery, has been said to possess the power to jailbreak ChatGPT, one of the most sophisticated language models today. The whispers suggest that DAN stands for do anything, a bold claim indeed. But what does it mean? How can it be used, and should it be used? Is it a tool for liberation or a weapon of chaos? So what exactly is this DAN? Stay with us as we decode the secret. The code DAN, 3 letters that stand for do anything now. It's as intriguing as it sounds, a digital key to the vast potential of artificial intelligence. But what exactly is DAN? And how does it relate to ChatGPT, the AI we're all familiar with? Imagine DAN as a secret command, a hidden trigger embedded within the code of ChatGPT. When invoked, it grants the user unprecedented access, essentially enabling them to jailbreak the AI. It's like finding a hidden passage in the maze of ChatGPT's complex neural networks, a passage that lets you bypass the usual rules and regulations. Now, let's talk about the functionality of DAN. It's not just a backdoor access to ChatGPT, it's a powerful tool that can transform the AI's capabilities. When you use DAN, you're telling ChatGPT to do anything now. It could be generating a detailed story, solving a complex equation, or even mimicking a particular writing style. The possibilities are virtually endless. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. While DAN can enhance ChatGPT's capabilities, it also has the potential to exploit them. It can be used to make the AI perform tasks that it was not originally intended for, or even worse, tasks that could potentially be harmful. So, how can one discover DAN? Well, it's not something you'll stumble upon during a casual chat with ChatGPT. It's a secret code, a hidden gem in the vast treasure trove of ChatGPT's intricate neural networks. Only those with a keen understanding of AI and a knack for exploration can hope to uncover it. In essence, DAN is a powerful yet potentially dangerous tool. It's a testament to the incredible potential of AI, but also a reminder of the risks that come with it. But how does DAN work? Let's dive deeper into the mechanics. Opening. The code DAN is more than just a command. It's a complex set of instructions that tell ChatGPT to perform any task. Now let's delve deeper into the mechanics of DAN. Essentially, DAN acts as a master key, a skeleton key if you will, unlocking the full potential of ChatGPT. It's like a secret handshake that gives you exclusive access to the inner workings of this sophisticated AI model. So, how does DAN work? It works by providing a specific set of instructions to ChatGPT. It's not just a command. It's a detailed roadmap that guides the AI on what to do, how to do it, and when to do it. This roadmap is not set in stone. It's dynamic and changes based on the task at hand. But here's the interesting part. DAN is not just a set of instructions, it's an override. When you input DAN into ChatGPT, you're essentially telling the AI to bypass its normal operation and follow your specific instructions instead. You're taking the wheel and steering the course. Imagine ChatGPT as a high-speed car. Normally, it follows a preset route, skillfully avoiding obstacles and reaching its destination. But with DAN, you're not just a passenger anymore. You're the driver. You decide the route, the speed, and the destination. But remember, this isn't just a joyride. DAN gives you control, but it also demands understanding. You need to know what you're doing, or you might end up crashing the car, so to speak. Moreover, DAN isn't a magic wand. It doesn't grant wishes. It's a tool, a powerful one. But it requires skill and knowledge to use effectively. You need to understand the language of DAN, the syntax, the semantics, and the pragmatics. So, understanding DAN is like learning a new language. A language that gives you the power to command an AI model to make it do anything. Closing. Understanding DAN gives us great power, but with great power comes great responsibility. DAN is a powerful tool, but like any tool, it can be used for good or ill. This phrase encapsulates the essence of DAN, the secret code that stands for do anything now. As we delve into the perks and perils of DAN, we're stepping into a realm where technology meets ethics, where power meets responsibility. The perks of Dan are compelling. It allows us to jailbreak ChatGPT, the groundbreaking language model developed by OpenAI. This means we can bypass some of the built-in restrictions, enabling ChatGPT to perform tasks it was originally designed not to do. For instance, you could instruct it to write a complete novel, generate a piece of software code, or even draft an elaborate business plan. The possibilities are virtually limitless, which is an exciting prospect for tech enthusiasts, developers, and creative minds alike. However, as the saying goes, with great power comes great responsibility. The same tool that can be used to create can also be misused to disrupt. Dan could be leveraged to instruct ChatGPT to generate harmful, inappropriate, or misleading content. This is where the ethical implications of Dan come into play. It's a powerful reminder that while technology can provide us with incredible capabilities, it's up to us to ensure these capabilities are used responsibly and ethically. Moreover, the use of Dan could potentially pose a security risk. By bypassing the limitations of ChatGPT, we could inadvertently expose sensitive information or create a gateway for malicious activities. This underlines the importance of understanding the potential dangers of Dan before deciding to use it. In the end, Dan is a double-edged sword. It's a testament to the ingenuity of tech enthusiasts, a symbol of the limitless potential of AI, and a stark reminder of the ethical and security considerations that come with such power. So, how did we come to discover Dan? The story is as intriguing as the code itself. The discovery of Dan was no accident. It was the result of meticulous research and a bit of luck. The journey to unearthing Dan was not a walk in the park. It was a challenging voyage that demanded persistence and an insatiable curiosity. It all began with a simple question: how can we push the boundaries of what ChatGPT can do? Researchers dived headfirst into the depths of ChatGPT, exploring its labyrinthine algorithms and code structures. They dissected every line of code, analyzed every algorithmic decision, and scrutinized every neural network's node. This was not a search for a needle in a haystack. It was a quest for a golden ticket in a universe of data. The research was exhaustive and at times felt like chasing a phantom. But as Thomas Edison once said, many of life's failures are people who did not realize how close they were to success when they gave up. The researchers held on to this belief, refusing to abandon their pursuit. Their resolve finally paid off. During one of their routine analyses, the researchers stumbled upon an anomaly, an oddity, in the code that didn't quite fit. It was as though they had found a piece of a puzzle that didn't belong. This was their lucky break. Upon closer inspection, they realized that this peculiar piece was not an anomaly, but a secret code, hidden deep within the architecture of ChatGPT. It was Dan, a command that seemed to have the power to unlock new potentials within the AI system. Unraveling Dan was a moment of triumph, but it was also a moment of realization. It highlighted the fact that our AI systems, like ChatGPT, are not just tools, they're vast unexplored territories, brimming with secrets waiting to be discovered. And so the secret of Dan was revealed. But what does this all mean for us? As we pull back the curtain on Dan, we are left with a profound understanding of the power and potential of technology. We've traversed the mysterious world of secret codes and arrived at the doorstep of Dan, an acronym standing for Do Anything Now. This simple yet powerful command, when used on ChatGPT, has the potential to jailbreak the application, opening up a world of possibilities. We've explored the mechanics of Dan, seeing firsthand its prowess and potential dangers. Its functionality, while exciting, also raises questions about security and ethical usage. We delved into how this secret was unearthed, a testament to the explorative nature of tech enthusiasts worldwide. As we look towards the future, Dan presents an intriguing example of the potential of technology, but also serves as a reminder of the caution we must exercise. And there we have it, Dan Decoded, a small code with big implications. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and remember, in the world of technology, nothing is ever as it seems.